Oke, simple present, 4 perubahan ya. Ya, mulai silakan. Verbal tense.
Verbal tense positif. You go to school.
Tambah everyday.
You go to school every day. Kamu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Nah,
Positif, kuantitatif. Terserah aja kau mau begitu.
we go to school every day. Kami pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. They go to school every day. Kami pergi ke sekolah. Mereka pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. I go to school every day. Saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. She goes to school every day. Dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari.
Tambahin nama perempuan.
Mahira goes to school every day. Mahira pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. He goes to school every day. Dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari.
Laki-laki.
Abil goes to school every day. Abil pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. It goes to school every day.
Nah, tambah hewan.
A cat goes to school every day.
Oke.
Seekor kucing pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Positif interrogatif. Do you go to school? Apakah kamu do you go to school every day? Apakah kamu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Do we go to school every day? Apakah kami pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Do they go to school every day? Apakah mereka pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Do I go to school every day? Apakah saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does she go to school every day? Apakah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does Mahira go to school every day? Apakah Mahira pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does he go to school every day? Apakah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does Abil go to school every day? Apakah Abil pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does it go to school every day? Apakah itu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does a cat go to school every day? Apakah seekor kucing pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Negatif. You do not go.
Do not.
You do not go to school every day. Kamu or you don't go to school every day. Kamu tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. They do not go to school every day, or they don't go to school every day. Mereka tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. We do not go to school every day, or we don't go to school every day. Kami tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. I do not go to school every day, or I don't go to school every day. Saya tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. She does not go to school every day, or she doesn't go to school every day. Dia tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Mahira does not go to school every day, or Mahira doesn't go to school every day. Mahira tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari.
Abil boleh pergi sekolah.
Abil do not go to school every day.
Abil.
Abil does not go to school every day, or Abil doesn't go to school every day. Abil tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. It does not go to school every day, or it doesn't go to school every day. Itu tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. A cat does not go to school every day, or a cat doesn't go to school every day. Seekor kucing tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari. Negatif interrogatif. Do you not go to school every day? Apakah kamu tidak pergi ke kampus setiap hari? Or don't you go to school? Don't you go to school every day? Tidakkah kamu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Do we not go to school every day? Or do we not go to school every day? Apakah kami tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or don't we go to school every day? Tidakkah kami pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Do they not go to school every day? Apakah mereka pergi ke sekolah setiap hari?
Apakah mereka tidak?
Apakah mereka tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or don't they go to school every day? Tidakkah mereka pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Do I not go to school every day? Apakah saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Apakah saya tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or don't I go to school every day? Tidakkah saya pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does he not go to school every day? Apakah dia tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't she go to school every day? Tidakkah dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does Mahira not go to school every day? Apakah Mahira tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't Mahira go to school every day? Tidakkah Mahira pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does he not go to school every day? Apakah dia tidak pergi ke kampus setiap hari? Or doesn't he go to school every day? Tidakkah dia pergi ke kampus setiap hari? Ke sekolah setiap hari? Does Abil not go to school every day? Apakah Abil tidak pergi ke kampus setiap hari? Doesn't Abil go to school every day? Tidakkah Abil ke sekolah setiap hari? Does it not go to school every day? Apakah itu tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't it go to school every day? Tidakkah itu pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Does a cat not go to school every day? Apakah seekor kucing tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari? Or doesn't a cat go to school every day? Apakah seekor kucing tidak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari?
Oke, good. Itu dulu. Sebentar present progresifnya supaya sama Ki menulis.